Hello, buddy, and welcome to a little update on Hurricane Isaias here. This is a live feed off of Wilmington, North Carolina here. Not much to see because of all these winds and power outages that have been happening along North Carolina here. This is a live view again off of Wilmington, North Carolina. You can see the winds buffeting the camera here, especially you can see a little bit on the right hand of your screen there. Just the winds buffeting the camera here as the second part of the eye wall makes its presence known in downtown Wilmington, North Carolina here. And this is a live look out of Wilmington. Latest information for Tropical Storm Isaias here. Well, not Tropical Storm, Hurricane Isaias, I should say. As of 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Advisory 28. Its current location is at 33.8 degrees north, 78.5 degrees west. Maximum sustained winds are at 85 miles per hour and moving to the north-northeast at 22 miles per hour. And you can see Hurricane One still in effect for northern South Carolina and southern North Carolina. There as the storm made landfall here earlier tonight. And you can see Tropical Storm One is in effect for pretty much all the way from North Carolina to Maine here on the east coast of the United States as the storm races on off to the northeast here. Throughout the next 3 hours and eventually making it towards New York here Tuesday evening by the looks of it, before turning post-tropical after Wednesday morning by the looks of it on the National Hurricane Center cone. As of the latest update, the update statement, you can see here, I'm going to read it for you guys. 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time precision update. I have Isaias moving inland over southeastern North Carolina. Weather station at Johnny Mercer Pier at Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, recently measured sustained winds of 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers an hour, and a gust of 76 miles per hour, or 122 kilometers an hour. A sustained wind of 47 miles per hour, 76 kilometers an hour, and a gust of 74 miles per hour, 119 kilometers an hour was recently reported at Wilmington, North Carolina. In summary of the 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time 4 UTC information, its current location as of this update is at 34.2 degrees north, 78.3 degrees west, about 30 miles or 45 kilometers west of Wilmington, North Carolina. Maximum sustained winds are still at 85 miles per hour or 140 kilometers an hour. Present movement is the north-northeast or 20 degrees at 22 miles per hour or 35 kilometers an hour. And minimum central pressure is still at 988 millibars or 29.818 inches there, as you can see. And here's a look at the Wilmington radar, North Carolina radar, as the storm progressed here. You can see it approaching landfall, then eventually making landfall there as a strong Category 1 hurricane here, Hurricane Isaias there. Quite a remarkable scene. There's reports of fires, numerous power outages, numerous fires in the city of Wilmington and across parts of northeastern South Carolina and southern North Carolina there as the hurricane moves on through. Multiple reports of power outages, flooding there, storm surges, etc., along with this storm. So quite a serious storm nonetheless, regardless of how it looks, even on satellite imagery. You can see this is satellite imagery off of GO16 CONUS imagery. You can see it making landfall there as a Category 1 hurricane. Not the most photogenic Category 1 hurricane, of course, but still a serious storm nonetheless, and one to still be taken seriously as it races on off to the northeast here over time across the northeast coast here of the United States there. But you can see this is a loop there showing satellite imagery of, again, GO16 of Hurricane Isaias there. So that's pretty much about it, I believe, for me. In terms of other things going on in the North Atlantic, we've still got 94L there. You could read the text there, but information transfer to the next 48 hours, a medium 40%. Information transfer to the next 5 days has gone down 10%. It was at 60% earlier, now it's down to 50%. And yeah, and again, for latest information on Hurricane Isaias, please look for your local officials and the National Hurricane Center and National Weather Service. You're on the right page for the National Hurricane Center when you see this front page. That's when you know you're on the right page for the National Hurricane Center. And to get onto this page, just type up nhc.noaa.gov, or just type nhc.noaa, or just type nhc, and it'll probably be it'll probably be the first result in whatever search browser or search engine you're using here. Same goes for the National Weather Service here. You reach the right page when you see all this right here in front of your screen here. And again, to get onto this page, you just type weather.gov, or just type nws.gov, or just type NWS, and again, it'll probably be whatever the first result on whatever search browser or search engine you're using here. And you'll know you're on the right page by just looking at this. And you can get, of course, a detailed forecast of what's currently going on in your neck of the woods. It's like, say, for instance, you live in Raleigh, click on there for a detailed forecast. Give your detailed forecast there, 5-day graphical forecast, 7-day text forecast there. And say you don't live in Raleigh, or you know a friend that lives farther to your east there, you could go over and click over here and say they live over in Kill Devil Hills. If they live over there, just click there for the latest forecast. And you can either put in your zip code or nearest city up there as well. If you can't find it on the map, do that as well. And it also has an hourly forecast at your fingertips here to plan your day out in advance. Here as this hurricane moves farther north here with time. So hope everybody has a great day now, guys. Stay safe, of course. If we're in the path of this storm, take this seriously. I was looking at live cams earlier that were on the coastline here of southern North Carolina there, and it was a quite really serious situation there. And power, of course, went out in multiple areas there, and many cameras that I've looked at, the power has been lost there. And again, a serious system nonetheless. Again, here's the last look at the downtown Wilmington camera here. Still shaking from the second part of the eye wall, currently affecting Wilmington there. And you can just see how bad the conditions are. So stay safe, everybody, in the path of this. You had many days and many hours to prepare for this, and now it's on your doorstep. And just hope you stay safe and listen to your local officials and National Weather Service and National Hurricane Center here over the next coming hours here. So again, hope everybody stays safe. Have a great day and night, you guys are. Stay safe, of course. Till then, see you guys in the next video. Peace.